Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a Blackberry Classic Q10. And this is a good phone. I really liked it, even though now Blackberry discontinued the support for this, not just this, but all the Blackberry operating system phones. They are still quite good. So now I'm going to show you with a few simple tools you can replace the battery and prolong the life. Just gently, not to break anything. Alright, just go slowly. And maybe go on this other side. At least it's not glued like many other smartphones. This one's relatively easy to remove in comparison. There's a little bit of glue, that's why. Be a little bit careful. Make sure I'm moving the back cover and not breaking it. You can see that there are a little bit of double-sided tape here. Well, I'm just going to show you how to remove this battery here. Alright, so it's very simple. It's held in by this screw here, and actually it's a Torx screw. You have to remove this in order to remove the... Well, one side has a Torx, the other side has a Phillips. So I'm going to remove the screw on one side, which is very small. So I'm going to remove the other screw using a Torx screwdriver, and it comes off easily. Now all I have to do is to kind of like just carefully, gently open this, so that we expose the battery connector on the motherboard. Then you can just use your fingernail to pry it open, and you see the battery is now disconnected. So from here I have to gently kind of pop the battery, but I think it's kind of glued on the back, so not going to be as easy. Be careful not to damage it or anything. So now the battery is removed. Okay, it's kind of really a mess. I'm gonna have to recycle this and replace it with another one. Here, I finally got the replacement battery, and even though it looks like a Blackberry original, it's actually an aftermarket that's made to look like it's a Blackberry original. You can see the printing here is not exactly the best, and nevertheless, it's a cheap phone, so they don't really produce new batteries for this anymore except aftermarket parts. So now it fits snugly in here. I really should have put double-sided tape on the back, but for the purpose of making this video, I'm just going to show you that this one fits here. Okay, so there. Okay, now it turns on. That's a good sign. So it was the battery problem, and it's a relatively simple procedure anyone can perform with the right tools.